Good evening, guys. Tonight I'm going to cook pork steak, and it's going to be our dinner, and it will be very, very yummy. And I will have lots in it, and I will be full.
Wow! Anong niluluto mo, anak? Onion. Para saan yan? Sa karne. Anong lulutuin mong ulam? What's that?
Steak,
Ano?
steak,
Steak.
steak. Ooh, big one.